Video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can download a TikTok video on an iPhone and get rid of that TikTok watermark from it. Coming up for you. Hello everyone, this is Saj. Welcome to Phonepreneur, a channel that encourages and empowers you to create awesome content with your phone. The trick that I'm going to be showing you works on any kind of iPhone that you have, and you don't need to go and visit on any website, download any kind of software, nothing as such. It will be quick and easy right from the app directly to your iPhone. So let's get started. I'm going to choose one of the videos and download it directly onto my phone. So let's pick a video and download it a normal way and see how it appears once you have downloaded that video. So to download that, you click on those three dots and then you click on save video, and that should download the video to your phone. Now when you view this video, you'll see there's a big watermark on the top left that shifts again onto the bottom right. So this is quite annoying sometimes when you want to share it with the other people, even if it's your own video. So the trick that I'm going to show you now won't need any kind of external links or softwares or website, anything as such. You'll be able to do it just directly on your phone. So you go back on the same video again, click on that three dots. Now instead of picking the option save video, you're going to scroll to the right and you have to select the option live photos. Once it's downloaded successfully, you go back to the photo app, and once you click on that video, you'll see because you saved it as a live photo, it wouldn't play as a video. But do not panic. All you need to do is click on the share button at the bottom left, scroll down and look for the option that says save as video. Once you pick that option, you will see it created another copy of it, but this time it's a video. All those big watermarks are gone, but actually if you click on that screen, it will show a very tiny watermark at the bottom of the video, which again is not as annoying as the one that you have seen previously when you clicked on save video. However, you can get rid of this as well. It's quite simple. You can easily take care of it. All you need to do is click on edit option and then pick the option which allows you to crop the video. And just crop that portion out of that video, and then you can hit done. It will save the video, and now you have a full-size screen video with no chunky watermarks at all. So guys, here you go. Easy and simple trick to download your TikTok videos without any watermark and without getting involved in any external websites. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded on my channel. Once again, at Phonepreneur, my aim is to encourage you and empower you to create awesome content just with your phone. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.